What up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So as you can see today we continue with the series of cool licks. Today we have again Stevie Vaughan with his lick that he played at a live version of Tin Pan Alley with Johnny Copeland. And this is the very first lick that he plays before the song, so it's like an intro lick. And you can check it out, you can find it on YouTube as well, a live version of Tin Pan Alley with Johnny Copeland. And this lick was brought to my attention by a subscriber, so I checked it out and I said, yeah, it's a cool lick, you know. And I know that Stevie used this lick in more than one occasions, so we're going to break it down in this lesson today. The tuning for this lesson is going to be half step down on all the strings, just like a standard tuning for Stevie Vaughan. And for the sound I was using again, the VST plugin Guitar Rig. I'm going to show you the preset in just a moment. While you're checking out the picture of the preset, here's my low E string so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright, so without further ado, let's go for the close-up and start the lesson. Alright, so before we start breaking down the lick itself, I just want to mention that we're in a key of C minor. And we're using C minor pentatonic C blues scale. In the first position right here. If you were in standard tuning, you would have to move down one fret, so you'd be in B. Okay, so I'm not going to explain the lick note for note. It's pretty obvious just working here on the first pattern of the minor pentatonic scale. And you will see all of the notes in the tablature. I'm just going to play through slowly so you can see what's going on, and I will mention a couple of things in certain places. So kind of the first part of the lick. So here. So here we go with the pinky on B string, and also the first note, you can hit it like a rake with muted strings. So you are hitting a few strings but actually just playing that note, which is the C note on the D string, but muting other strings, just making it like a rake with the muted strings. So this is pretty straightforward. Okay, so we got up to this part. Then we go. So this part is using the, it's a little bit rushed first of all, so it's a little bit faster. And then when I do the hammer on here, then I go to the B string, and then using this kind of rolling motion of the finger, I'm going to the that note here, which is the minor third. And because we're in blues, we add a little bit of a bend here, like that. And then, so this is kind of like flicking the string here, so it's not actually playing that note, the C note, but it's a grace note used on pull-off. So there are grace notes when you use on hammer-ons, and also you can do that using the pull-off. So here we go down the blues scale and playing pull-off right here on this the flat 5 to the 4th, then ending the phrase with the scale and going for the trill like that, and then so this is just an additional few notes of the phrase. So we're like going for the turnaround using the G G dominant 7 sharp 9 chord, like that. And then they start playing the song. It's actually, so just playing this lick, then the whole chord. Okay, so getting back to the lick, I'm gonna play the whole lick very slowly. It goes like this. A little bit faster. And up to speed. Alright guys, so that was it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can leave your suggestions regarding new licks you want me to break down in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar related stuff. In the meantime, till next video, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.